Copy trading with Pocket Option allows you to replicate the trades of successful traders, making it easy for beginners to participate in binary options trading. Here's how to copy trade with Pocket Option. Create a Pocket Option account. Sign up for a Pocket Option account on their website or mobile app. Complete the registration process and fund your account. Access the copy trading feature. After logging in, go to the copy trading section within the platform. You will find a list of available traders to copy, along with their performance data. Choose a trader to copy. Browse through top traders based on their success rate, win percentage, and risk level. Review their trading style and performance history to choose the best fit for your risk tolerance and goals. You can see details such as average profits, win rates, and trade history. Set your copy trading parameters. Select how much you want to allocate per trade. Set your risk level either higher or lower, depending on how much you're willing to risk. Enable auto copy, and the platform will mirror the trader's actions in real time. Monitor and adjust. Check your copy trades and adjust your settings as necessary. If the trader's performance changes, you can stop copying or switch to another trader.